Let's convert this point, which is given to us in rectangular coordinates, to polar coordinates. Okay, so x is this square root of 3 over 4, and y is negative 1/4. Okay, so let's see. R, the radius, because remember we're trying to convert this to radius comma angle. R is the square root, let me make this bigger, square root of x, which is square root of 3 over 4 squared, plus the y, which is negative 1/4 squared. Square root of 3 squared is 9. Nope. Square root of 9, which is 3. 4 squared is 16. Negative 1/4 squared is 1 over 16. 3/16 plus 1/16 is 4/16, which of course is just 1/4. And then the square root. So the square root of 1 is 1. The square root of 4 is 2. So my radius is just 1/2. Now to find the angle. Okay, the angle. So remember, let's note what quadrant this point is in. Okay, you have a positive x and a negative y. Think about the xy plane. X is positive and y is negative in quadrant 4. Okay, quadrant 4. So whatever angle I find, I need it to be in quadrant 4. Let me write this so I don't forget. Okay, so now let's use those formulas. I'm going to use the x formula. Okay, so the square root of 3 over 4 is equal to 1/2 cosine of theta. Let's multiply both sides by 2 to take care of that 1/2. So the square root of 3, 2 over 4 is just 1/2, so that's going to be square root of 3 over 2. Okay, so now, the square root of 3 over 2. Cosine is the square root of 3 over 2. Well, let's think about the circle, the unit circle. Square root of 3 over 2 happens for cosine at pi over 6 and at 11 pi over 6. Which one is in the fourth quadrant? 11 pi over 6. Okay, so there we go. That would be my point. Exact same point, except this time it's in polar coordinates.